kVA rating, rated frequency, then number of phases. Also in which we have to need rating of power. Then we have to consider single phase transformer. The rating of single phase transformer is less than 1 kVA. Okay. Then also 3 phase transformer is less than 5 kVA. Okay. Then there are different types of transformer, that is instrumentation transformer, static transformer, traction transformer, starting transformer, then welding transformer. Okay, these are the different types of transformer, and the rating of transformer depends on types of transformer. Okay, also in which we have to need frequency may be 50 Hz. Okay, then also in which we have to need these are the different ratings of transformer. Also in which we have to need service condition. Okay, the service condition depends on normal operation of transformer. Okay, in which we have to need supply voltage and their temperature condition. Also in temperature of ambient air and cooling medium, in which rating of temperature is below 5 degrees Celsius but not in above 50 degrees Celsius. This is the rating of temperature of transformer. For consider water cooling transformer, the maximum temperature range of the water cooling transformer is 30 degrees Celsius. As per depends on their types of transformer, that is oil immersed transformer or dry type transformer. Also next point is wave shape of supply voltage, that is supply voltage of transformer is very important, in which the supply voltage of transformer and that is a input voltage, supply voltage, that is input voltage. The input voltage totally depends on the load of transformer. Also supply voltage maybe depends on rating or number of phases of transformer, maybe single phase transformer and 3 phase transformer. Also installation environment. Also at the time of installation of transformer does not require any type of environmental pollution when transformer get installed. Also in which we have to need external insulation of the transformer bushing, because this bushing is affected by environmental pollution. Also unusual service condition. The unusual service condition depends on the design of transformer, because there are different types of factor is affected the service condition of the transformer, that is high altitude may be affected by high or low temperature, then humidity, then seismic activity, contamination, unusual voltage, load current. These are the several factors affecting the service condition of the transformer. Okay, there are different types of transformer: power transformer, at transformer, then boosting transformer. These are the different types of transformer. Also oil immersed type of transformer, maybe depends on the magnetic circuit of the transformer. Then dry type transformer, Okay, then oil preservation system type of transformer. Then terminals. Next point is rating of terminals and neutral point, in which there are two types of terminal, that is primary side terminal and secondary side terminal. Then also in which depends on this primary side terminals and secondary side terminal depends on line terminal, that is phase terminal, as per depends on your type of transformer, that is single phase transformer and three phase transformer. Then neutral terminal. Neutral terminal are present in three phase transformer and single phase transformer. Then next point is, or next rating of transformer is, or specification of transformer is winding. There are two types of winding, that is high voltage winding and low voltage winding. Tap winding, that is depends on their number of turns can be used in winding. Then phase winding depends on number of phases, that is one phase or three phase winding. Then high voltage winding, that is the winding having highest rated voltage. Then low voltage winding having lowest rated voltage. Then intermediate voltage winding, that is this winding also called as multi winding, and intermediate winding is the interaction between highest and lowest winding of the transformer. Okay. Then auxiliary winding, then stabilizing winding, common winding. Then common winding, this type of winding used in auto transformer. Also series winding used in auto transformer or boost transformer, because in which two windings are connected in series. Then energizing winding, that is this type of winding used in boost transformer or booster transformer. Then rating, also the rating of transformer can be defined by Indian Standard 2026. Okay, and in which we have to need rated quantities. The quantities may be voltage, current and frequency. Also first is rated voltage measured in volt, and this rated voltage depends on three phase winding and single phase winding. Okay, they also require rated voltage ratio. The rated voltage ratio depends on load side to input side. Also rated frequency depends on load side to input side. They also same as that of rated power. Then rated current, then in which three phase winding the rated current is given by IR is equal to, that is SR, that is rated power upon root 3 into rated voltage, and this rated current measured in ampere. For a single phase transformer, we have to consider rated voltage is 500. This IR is equal to 500 upon root 3 into ampere. This is the rated current of single phase transformer, and this is the rated current of three phase transformer. Then tapping. There are different types of tapping, depends on their number of turns used in secondary winding. That is, there are different types of winding, that is plus tapping, minus tapping. Then plus tapping, a tapping whose tapping factor is higher than 1, that is the ratio of tapping factor is greater than 1. Then this type of winding is called as plus tapping. and minus tapping, the tapping factor is less than 1. It's called as minus tapping. Then tapping step, the difference between tapping factor, and this tapping difference can be expressed in percentage with the help of two adjacent tapping. Then tapping range depends on also tapping factor and compare with the value of tapping ratio is 100. Okay. Then also in which also need tapping voltage ratio. Then tapping voltage ratio depends on primary winding and secondary winding. Okay. Then also tapping duties. Then tapping duty is depends on frequency. It is duty cycle, and duty cycle is totally depends on turn on and turn off transfer. Then also in which we have to need tapping quantities, and tapping quantities in which we have to need tapping voltage, tapping current and tapping power. In tapping voltage, this tapping voltage is analogous to rated voltage, that is input voltage. Also tapping power is analogous to rated power. Also tapping current is analogous to rated current. These are the tapping quantities of transformer. Then next type is full power tapping. A tapping whose tapping power is equal to rated power. That means tapping power is equal to rated power is called as full power tapping. Then next is reduced power tapping. That means tapping power is lower than rated power. Then this type of tapping is called as reduced power tapping. Then also need losses and no load current. No load losses, in which the active power absorbed when rated voltage at rated frequency is applied to the terminal of the winding. Then other winding get open circuited. That is no load losses. That means rated voltage is applied to the primary winding. The secondary winding get open circuited. At that instant, no load losses. Then no load current. Also same working principle as that of no load losses. That means RMS value of the current is applied to the input terminal. Then at rated frequency, the output side of the transformer get open circuited. Then this type of transformer is called as no load current transformer. Okay. Then load loss. That is load loss is present at as output side. Okay.